What we're going to do here is we're going to install a DTF decal sticker, whichever you want to call it, to this area right here on this glass, which has already been cleaned and prepped. What we're going to do first is we're going to peel the backing off. And sometimes that happens where it wants to peel it off the transfer film. And if it does, just push it back on and lay it back down there. Pick your spot that you want. Line up your area that you want to put it. And start your decal sticker going down right there, a little rub. And then what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to hinge this back a little bit till we can grab the backing film. And then we'll push it on nice and easy. Just like so. Pulling gently. And we're going to give it a good rub down. Get it on there nice and solid all the way around. The nice thing about these DTF stickers, decals, whichever, they can be multi-part. They don't have to be one part, but they also can be multicolor, which is something that's a lot harder to do with just regular vinyl. Now we're going to peel the transfer tape off. Always remembering to keep it low to the decal or sticker, whichever it is. And then making sure it doesn't lift the sticker decal off of the surface. And we'll get it all off of there. Like so. We got a little piece left. And there you have a DTF full color sticker decal applied to a window.